Hello radio, and welcome to the broadcast evening. This is Tango Charlie 02, CB Radio VideoGate. We want a QSY to 27475, QSY to 27475 for possible CB Radio VideoGate, and we go. This is Tango Charlie 02 in Newfoundland, Canada, ready for CB Radio VideoGate. Hello Radio, Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, CB Radio VideoGate. We have 2-1 in Indiana. This is Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, returning.
Tango Charlie 02, Roger. This is 201, Indiana.
201, my apologies. 201 in Indiana. This is Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. The personal here is Andy. Alpha November Delta Yankee.
The spiel there with the name and YouTube and all that stuff. Back to you.
Fantastic. That's great. That's great stuff. I'm glad to hear that people are catching on to it and planning on dropping by. I'm hoping to be able to get people to make contact with me through email or somehow to possibly pre-arrange contact when DX is rolling to help get people that really are having a hard time getting out. Pick a channel, a nice clear channel, and go and do a VideoGate. I think that's probably the next thing I'm going to probably try to tackle, if that's possible.
Okay, roger that. Yeah, you went into a fade there for a while, but you came up there toward the end. So I didn't copy all of it, but anyway, Andy, thanks for the contact, and carry on and have a good time. 73s from 201 in Indiana.
Thank you, 201 Indiana. Thank you for getting back to us and taking the QSY and for the contact. And we will conclude this VideoGate and go back to 38 and see what else is down there.